side. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Things like mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit cards to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good things. Drip Network, get 365% back of your initial investment, 1% a day, all kinds of good stuff. Today we're going to be talking about Dogelon Mars, What's going on with that? Their investors can now make passive income. So we're going to talk about passive income with Dogelon Mars. Pretty awesome to build up that metaverse. So we're going to talk about the Bored Apes and the metaverse and check that out. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Our goal on our channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and yes, one day even own some cryptocurrency. All right, everybody, let's head over to Dogelon Mars. Do a little price prediction when we're done. All right, over here at CoinMarketCap, Dogelon Mars is 145th on the list. It's up about 3% in the last 7 days, and it's down about 1% in the last 24 hours. Clicking it. Over here to the right, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros, and a 7204. We'll do a price prediction when we're done. It's down about 1% in the last 24 hours. Down at about 1% in the last 24 hours. In the last 7 days, it's actually up a little bit, which is fantastic. Go Dogelon Mars. Over at their Twitter account, Dogelon Mars, again, they got a new facelift for their website, which is fantastic. You know, one of the things it says they're looking forward that you guys have finally abolished the daylight savings time and made the time travel real tough to Earth, disorientating. So, Dogelon Mars is happy that we got rid of the daylight saving time. Here on Gemini, you can get Dogelon Mars on Gemini. They talk about there's a new dog in town. They got their Dogecoin, they got their Elon, and they also got their SHIB right on the Gemini, which is fantastic. All right, over here at the website, Dogelon Mars, you got 6 places you can actually get Dogelon if you want it. You got crypto.com, you got Uniswap, OKEX, you can get it, KuCoins, Huobi, and Gemini. Says, I am Dogelon Mars, come join me and together we'll reach the stars. They talk about joining the community of Dogelon. There's over 650,000 people inside their community at their Twitter account, which is fantastic. On the Dogelon Mars, on the Dogelon Mars Telegram, there's over 90,000 followers there. Get to Dogelon Mars sticker pack and you can actually download it, which is fantastic right here. And then they got their Comic Saga Begins. And you can kind of follow along here. You can go one comic at a time and kind of see what's going on. There's comic number 2. The Comic Saga Begins. Comic number 3. They got comic number 4. Here's some good stuff right here. Dogelon Mars, Dogelon, basically last month was the top 10 highest viewed coin in all of North America. It wasn't in the top 10. It was the number 1. So again, taking a look at this, the number 1 coin viewed in North America with Dogelon Mars was 67,000. The next one was Solana at 21,000. Then you had Cardano at 17. But take a look, Dogelon Mars at 67,000. That's fantastic. Go Dogelon. They kind of talk about the holders of Dogelon. They keep digging, and the panic sellers. Don't be a panic seller with the Dogelon. Because if you are, what could happen is you could be so close to striking that gold right there, and it just doesn't happen. And then right here is the biggest thing, is Dogelon Mars is now live on FUse Network. Voltage pools are engaged. Beefy Vault Finance with help of FUse. You can explore all the corners of the galaxy. This is the big thing about passive income. Dogelon Mars and the token is now on FUse. You can actually start making passive income with this program. Taking a look right here, now we believe that the FUse ecosystem will benefit significantly from arriving from the major popularity cryptocurrency to the platform. For Dogelon Mars, with FUse opening the possibilities to complete the meme appeal with the potential for rebuilding the global payment system that FUse represents. Now dig this. The yield farming program on Elon/FUse program of voltage finance of the LP tokens boost and also represent an attractive additional passive income stream for Dogelon Mars community. So again, with FUse, take a look, with FUse, you can add a passive income stream. So I think you kind of want to maybe go over to FUse, check this out. This is kind of big. So again, Dogelon Mars token is now on FUse, but what that means for all the token holders and investors is, guess what? You can have passive income now. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Dogelon Mars, I mean, up slightly right this second, which is fantastic. This is the coin that we're going to use when we have intergalactic travel to Mars. We're going to actually use the Dogelon Mars, which is kind of fantastic. All right, let's check this. All right, kind of wanted to cover this Apecoin. Everybody's into the Apecoin right this second. I really like the way this kind of looks and everything. Kind of like a real sleek, cool coin. Maybe a Grateful Dead coin. You know, about the Apecoin. The ape is for the Web3 economy. Culture has found a new expression in Web3 through art, gaming, and entertainment events. The possibility for the blockchain impact on the culture are also endless, and the possibilities are also predicted. Ape is a token made to support what's next, control and build on the community. It will serve as a decentralized protocol layering for community-led that drives culture forward into the metaverse. So this is a nice metaverse token. The Ape Foundation is the steward of the Apecoin. It says right here, the Apecoin airdrops was a rare hiccup for the Bored Ape Yacht Club. So a lot of hype going on with the Bored Ape Yacht Club and the Ape token. Yuga Labs seems to be at the top of the NFT world. The Universe Music Group just bought one of the Bored Apes. Plans to turn into an avatar into a music star. The company is also rolling up management rights over the hot digital collection, the CryptoPunks, and reportedly is talking to raise about $5 billion. So why is the Ape token launch kind of a mess? So yeah, it was kind of a mess with the launch of everything. But here's the thing. People are loving this Ape token. So take a look at it, put it on your radar, and make sure you check it out. All right, back over to Dogelon Mars' website. Again, it's around 145th is the ranking. Market cap is 397. The volume is 4.42. You can obviously use your MetaMask to get your Dogelon Mars, you know, with your Ethereum. There's a little key here to help you. All right, what's our price prediction? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros and a 7202. I think it's going to be 6 zeros and a 7505. All our information, again, is for educational purposes only. Make sure you do your own homework. But this is a coin that is used for intergalactic travel. And again, it's up 2.96% in the last 7 days. All right, everybody, thanks for tuning in. Dogelon Mars, what's going on with that? A little bit of an Apecoin, talked about that slightly. Don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video. Click over here so you can learn about Drip Network. Get 365% back on your initial investment, 1% a day. All right, everybody, thanks for tuning in. Have a great day.